Hello viewers, a very good afternoon and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. The junta has defeated Mnangagwa once again. Remember, yesterday, Blessed Mhlanga was summoned to the police, and today he was supposed to go there and attend the meeting or present himself before the police law and order. However, the summons against him were withdrawn by the police. This is Mr. Zimbabwe. They say police withdraw summons against HSTV journalist. 3 people armed with pistols reportedly visited HSTV in Harare on 17 February 2025 looking for journalist Blessed Mhlanga. So this is what happened, and it's very, very interesting to see such things happening at this point in time. Remember, you are summoned to law and order, and immediately that happened, he said that I'm going to attend tomorrow, I'm going to present myself. Then before he could present himself, we are seeing this report that the police withdrew the summons against HSTV. So it's very, very interesting to see that this is what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe, and different views are that those representing Adara, they are losing it. It seems as if the other side is becoming more powerful and is exerting more pressure on the regime. So what had happened is that 3 people armed with pistols reportedly visited Atenso TV in Harare on 17 February. They were looking for journalist Blessed Mhlanga. In a post on X platform, formerly Twitter, on 17 February, Mhlanga said, "It's not a laughing matter at all. 3 persons armed with pistols came to my office this morning looking for me. They did not say why they needed me. Then minutes later, I got a call inviting me to law and order. I will be presenting myself to the police with my lawyers tomorrow." However, his lawyer Chris Mike said he conducted the police over the matter and was told the summons had been withdrawn. And this is what is happening at this point in time. So we are seeing massive intimidation of journalists after the Minister of Information issued similar threats to journalists and everyone who is speaking against the 2030 agenda. Let it be known that our fight is not a fight against Emmerson Mnangagwa. We need to make it very, very clear. We are in the media, and we need to make it clear. We are not fighting Emmerson Mnangagwa. We are fighting, number one, the 2030 agenda, which is unconstitutional. Against all odds, this is unconstitutional. You cannot remove the 2028 elections because you have your own agenda. Une makore mangani kubva nhasi kusvika 2028. Chiri kutadzisa kuita zvaundazoita 2029 na 30 chi. Une makore mangani chiri kuita saizvezvi chi. Chauchazoita mu 2 years chauchatadza kuita mu 3 years and hafu dzauinadzo. 2025 wese, 2026 wese, 2027 wese nehafu ya 2028. Unenge uchiitei chauchazoda ku 2029 na 2030. Chi chauchazogona. Then another issue is that we are fighting corruption. Wignel Chivayo, no matter how you are going to protect him, say all sorts of things, is a criminal. Yes, he is a criminal, a convicted criminal, and also an unrepented criminal. Show us the people he is employing. Strive Masiwa is a billionaire, ane company EcoNet, inana ECOCASH ma subsidiaries, inana vaya vanani zvese zvana Stuart Bengi, vanani zvese zvatiri kuona izvi. That is Strive Masiwa for you. Iwewe Chivayo unei iwewe chaunotiratidza chaunoti hanzi chiri kukuitisa ma millions and millions and you are aiming to be a billionaire very soon. Chinokuita kuti ugone kutenga ndege chii chaunacho nemasakariro akaita economy. Vama shops chacha are legitimate, vana OK, vana TM, they are closing down. Vana N Richards, they are closing down. Only Chivayo is thriving in this economy. How? You are overtaxing us, Mr. Mnangagwa. That is the reason why we are now speaking against you. Imagine that we have gold in Zimbabwe. Out of all the gold which is mined in Zimbabwe, the government benefits less than 5%. And guess who is taking everything? The miners are taking everything. The major question we have is, if gold belongs to Zimbabwe, why is Zimbabwe not benefiting from the gold? Show us hospitals you have built with money from gold. Show us roads you have built with money from gold. Show us the proceeds of gold. Why are you mining this gold if that gold cannot benefit the country? Why? Say hurumende yedu isiriyo iri kuona ma gold mines. 98% of the mines are owned by private individuals. Go to other countries, the government would be owning that 98%. When you see countries developing, when you see countries becoming hubs, international hubs of business, when you see countries becoming first class and the first world countries, the issue is that they are taking resources and they are making people and the economy benefit from those resources. Minda makatora vamnangagwa nevamwe venyu ike zvinoma kupanana matitle deeds. But nzara yatibaya, nzara yatirova. Why are you failing to do the needful to farm? Why is the industry closing? Why are we using millions and millions of dollars importing? Moreover, why are your ministers involved in the 2030 slogan? Tell us. We need you to be honest. We need you to be truthful. We need you to address issues as they are and to deal with issues, not to come here with nonsense. We don't want that. We need the truth, and the truth is you focusing on what is important, that is service delivery. Why are you not delivering services? Why? What is stopping you from delivering? So you can continue to intimidate journalists. You can continue to intimidate politicians. You can continue to intimidate the people of Zimbabwe. But regai titaure shoko rimwe chete rinoti hakuna musi usingasvike. Meaning, chero mukatiuraya, chero mukatisunga, chero mukatirova, chero mukativhiringidza, your day shall come. You killed Dzamara, you people. You made him disappear. Up to this day from 2016, no one knows. Is it 2016 or 14? I'm not so sure about the dates. I think 2014. Up to this day, no one knows the whereabouts of Dzamara. From 2014, more than 10 years, the government has never accounted for Dzamara. We are asking questions. Who does that to his own people? However, the issues which are raised by Dzamara are still valid up to this day. The brother of Dzamara was poisoned simply because he wanted and demanded accountability for his brother's disappearance. Where is he? Patson is no longer here. Other people vakatambanana Patson takavaona manje vane kenza vachimhanya varohwa nesame kenza yakarohwa naPatson. Why are you doing it to your own people? Why is it that our people are no longer safe? Why is it that each and every time we walk, we always watch behind our back, tichitarisa chicheuka kuti what is happening? Why are we always, defensive in terms of everything? Why can't you develop Zimbabwe? Why can't you make Zimbabwe a safe place, a better place for everyone? Ndiwe uripo, you are in the incumbent, ndiwe president Vacho. Why are you not delivering? So don't think the people of Zimbabwe hate you. But when you removed Robert Mugabe, you said Mugabe had failed and was surrounded by criminals. Now that you are being surrounded by criminals, now that you have failed, now that companies are closing, companies which were left open by Robert Mugabe, they are closing. Now that monies from bank accounts were looted twice, now that we don't have a currency, now that gold is being looted and is benefiting just a few, why can't you leave? Why murukuda 2030? Why musingagutsikani nezvamuinazo? Why can't you conduct free, fair, credible elections? So you prioritized funding Vakomana vefas instead of prioritizing the education sector, the health sector. Instead of taking that money waenda uchinokambena uchivaka zvipatara uchivaka zvikoro, motikari dzese dzamaitenga mafortune evakomana vefas dzaivaka mablocks ezvikoro vanhu vokuvhotera. You can't do that. Now you are wasting resources mchimhanya 2030 nemari dzamunogona kunge muchivaka zvipatara nezvikoro nechi vanhu vofara. Why are you doing that?